Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. As a part of this video, we'll understand what are logical operators and look at and between logical operators. So the first question is, what are logical operators and why do we really need them? Logical operators come into picture whenever you want to combine two or more relation statements. So you already have a arithmetic operators. You already have the comparison operators. If you want to combine the two or more relations to do some complex analysis by creating the complex query conditions, that is when logical operators come into picture. We do have multiple logical operators, but we'll cover few of them as a part of this course. We have and, we have between, we have in, we have like, we have not, we have or, we do have all, any, exists, and some. We learn how and between logical operators work as a part of this video. To understand how the operators work, we'll use a table named employee with these 6 attributes or 6 columns and with some 5 records. What does AND operator do? How does it work? AND operator is used to combine the two conditions. It displays only those records where both the conditions are true. I'll take an example. So here, this is our table. I know it is a little bit small, but it is visible. So in this, what if we want to get all the employees where their age is equal to 25? Here, their age is equal to 25 and their location should be Mysore. That is where we can use the AND operator. Means it will only include those records which satisfy both of these conditions, where age also should be 25 and location also should be Mysore. This will only include those records as a part of the result set where both the conditions are satisfied. So the answer would be Bhargav. If you see here, this guy is meeting both the conditions. His age is also 25 and location is also Mysore. How does the between operator work? Between operator is used to select values within a given range. You may encounter multiple instances where you want to get some data that is within a particular range. That is when we can use the between. Let us look at the example. So here, if you want to get all the employees who are of age from 22 to 25, that is when we can use a between. So here it will get all the employees who are having a age between 22 and 25. Isn't it intuitively named operator? Yes, it is. So with this, we'll get all the records which are having a age between 22 to 25. We'll see both of them as a part of a hands-on. I have logged into MySQL. If you haven't, please go ahead and log into MySQL. Let me see what are the databases here. Okay, I have university. Let me use university. Let us see which are the tables. Do we have a table called employee 2 here? That is what we are trying to use. We don't have a table called employee 2. Let's go ahead and create that. Okay, so I'm creating a table to demonstrate the logical operators. Okay, so here I'm creating a employee table with employee ID, employee name, age, location, salary, and department ID, wherein employee ID is the primary key. Let me go ahead and insert few records into this. Let us see how the data looks like. Okay, I'll say select star from employee 2. This is how our data looks like. So what is it we want? We want to get a name of the employee who is of the age 25 and he should be from Mysore. How do I do that? By using a AND operator. Very, very simple. If you look at the way I have constructed the queries, select EMP name from employee to where we are using a where class. Then age is 25. We are using a and Mysore. It is giving the Bhargav who is having an age of 25 and Mysore. If you want to try something else, you can always try. For example, now if I say age 29, it is giving a empty set. As I said, if any one of the condition is met, then those records will not be included as a part of the resultant set. In order to include the records into resultant set, both the conditions should be met. Okay. Now what we can do is we can say instead of Mysore, if I say Pune, it should give us the record. Chandra is of age 29 and he resides in Pune. Let us look at how the between works. Very, very simple. This is our table. Let us say here I want all the employees who are aged between 22 and 25. That is the reason I'm using a between logical operator to get all the employees whose age is between 22 and 25. There you go. All the records where the age is between 22 to 25 are included in the resultant data set. Wonderful. We understood how the and between logical operators work. Thank you.